Hello, everyone. Imagine a world where machines think, learn, and even create, once the realm of science fiction. Today it is our reality. But how does artificial intelligence compare to human intelligence? And what does this mean for our future? Human intelligence is remarkable. It allows us to reason, feel emotions, adapt to new challenges, and innovate in ways no machine can fully replicate. Our ability to think critically, solve problems creatively, and experience deep emotions defines who we are. On the other hand, artificial intelligence or AI is designed to process vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make decisions faster than any human ever could. It powers everything from virtual assistants to self-driving cars and even medical diagnoses. However, AI lacks true understanding, emotions, and consciousness. It only mimics intelligence based on algorithms and data. The real power lies in the collaboration between human and artificial intelligence. While AI can enhance efficiency and automate tasks, it is human creativity, ethics, and wisdom that guide its purpose. Welcome to the videos.
Hey there! Let's take a quick dive into the evolution of human intelligence. Humans have come a long way since the prehistoric era. Back then, our ancestors relied on basic survival skills like hunting, gathering, and tool-making. These skills were the foundation of early human intelligence. But what exactly is intelligence? It's not just about being book-smart. There are multiple types of intelligence, like logical, mathematical, linguistic, spatial, and even emotional intelligence. Each type helps us navigate different aspects of life. Over time, humans developed complex languages, social structures, and technologies. All these advancements required higher levels of cognitive abilities. Think about it. Creating art, building cities, and developing science all showcase our evolving intelligence. Now let's talk about measuring intelligence. You've probably heard of the IQ test. It's one way to measure certain cognitive abilities, like problem solving and logical reasoning. But remember, IQ isn't the only measure of intelligence. It's just one piece of the puzzle. So, how does this all impact us today? Understanding the evolution of human intelligence helps us appreciate the diverse ways we think and solve problems. It also highlights the importance of nurturing different types of intelligence in education. Let's rewind to the 1950s. AI was just a concept, with Alan Turing asking, "Can machines think?" Fast forward to the 60s, and we get the first ever chatbot, Eliza. It was basic but groundbreaking. Jumping to the 80s and 90s, AI started to get serious. We saw the development of neural networks and expert systems. Remember Deep Blue? It defeated chess grandmaster Garry Kasparov in '97, proving AI was no longer just science fiction. Now let's talk about the present. AI is everywhere. Smart assistants like Siri and Alexa, recommendation algorithms on Netflix, and even self-driving cars. Machine learning and deep learning are the buzzwords, powering everything from facial recognition to medical diagnostics. And what about AI tools? There are tons. TensorFlow, PyTorch, and OpenAI's GPT-3 are some heavy hitters. These tools are making it easier for developers to create sophisticated AI models. So what's the future hold? Imagine AI that can improve itself. We're looking at general AI, machines that can think, learn, and adapt like humans. Ethical AI is also crucial. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, ensuring it's fair and unbiased is a top priority. In summary, AI has come a long way, and it's not stopping anytime soon. From its humble beginnings to its current omnipresence, the journey of AI is nothing short of fascinating. And the best part? We're just getting started. Thanks for watching.